Back to school, forward with Vernier. Empower student-led learning in your science classroom or lab. Our innovative technology is designed to support three-dimensional science learning. Help your students investigate real-world phenomena, from energy exchange in a collision to the electric potential of a battery. With intuitive, hands-on tools, Vernier makes science learning come to life. Make real-world connections with real-time data collection and analysis. Vernier technology is 3D aligned, affordable, and easy to use. This back-to-school season, choose Vernier. Hands-on learning starts here.